Okay, we're almost at the finish line in this series, and today I've got the secret herbs and spices. You know what I mean? Colonel Sanders had his special herbs and spices to make KFC. Well, when it comes to affiliate marketing, there's a secret element that makes all the difference. Yet a lot of people overlook it. If you can get this element right, well, the limits are only the ones that you put on yourself, because this will make growing your business a lot more enjoyable and profitable. Now, this is my 12 Step to Success online series, and in this training, I'm giving you the 11th, the 12 steps, and the third step of the build phase. And the 11th step is simply to make it real. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and in this channel, we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. So in this video, I'm going to describe the benefits of making it real for your customers and your audience. One of the most detrimental mistakes an affiliate marketer or even an online marketer can make is to forget that your audience are real people. So often you see marketers producing content and putting offers into the market that clearly show that they have forgotten their marketing to real people. The signs are obvious because the content looks and feels like a template. There are a lot of strategies being promoted in the affiliate marketing world, and sometimes it's obvious when someone's following a particular strategy or particular guru. You might say that the content doesn't have any heart. It comes across as impersonal and as a result doesn't connect with the intended audience. It doesn't get the engagement the creator wants and therefore doesn't get the results they're after. So the 11th step to online success is to make it real. And the concept of making it real is about creating your content that your audience can connect with, that speaks to them. Now, if you've been following along, you'll have done the work to identify your market, the people you want to speak to. And once you have the right people seeing your content, the next step is to have it speak to them. And the way you do that is to identify what they're thinking and feeling. And you do that by addressing their pains and frustrations, the things that they're thinking about at night, the things that they're trying to overcome and solve. The other way to make it real is to incorporate some fun. Business is meant to be fun. It's meant to be better than going to a 9-to-5 job. So you want to include some fun in your content so your audience can connect with you, get to know you, and make it real. When your audience is connecting with your content and having fun, there's a much better chance that they'll do well. And as a result, you will do well. And when it comes to making them offers, they won't feel like you're selling to them. They will know that you are trying to help them solve a problem they're having or to help them to grow with new training. It's a simple secret really, however, it's often overlooked or more likely misunderstood. And I confess it's not really a secret, is it? It's just one of those elements of affiliate marketing that requires a bit of work to master, and it's where those that just spew their links everywhere get it so totally wrong. By making your content and audience experience feel real to them, you're going to be a lot more successful and profitable. Okay, I hope today's video was helpful for you and showed you how to make your customer and audience experience more real for them, and as a result, more enjoyable and profitable for you. Making it real may not be a super secret herb or spice. However, it's a very important element to success with affiliate marketing. So give it a go and see how your results will improve. If you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want some personal support to get set up for success, to nail the 12 steps and be on your way to the online income that you want, then join my Inner Circle program where you can get one-on-one support over 6 weeks, a whole bunch of resources and tools that are proven to work, and be earning an online income within 30 days. Click the link in the description to schedule a call, a free call with me, and we can work on a plan to get you moving toward your goals quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to schedule a time with me, click the link in the description, and let's have a chat. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified with when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read the comments and I'll reply to everyone. And don't forget to get access to the free affiliate marketing training that I recommend, click the links in the description and let's get you building your business from today. And if you want to get on a discovery call with me, you can click the link in the description to book a time in my calendar and we can have a chat.